Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you an incredible attendance sheet template that will revolutionize the way you manage your records. Get ready to save time and effort as we dive into this automated solution. To begin, make sure you have macros enabled in your Excel. Don't worry, it's easy. Just click the Enable Content button when prompted. Once you've enabled macros, you're all set to start using the attendance sheet template. On Sheet 1, you'll find all the necessary information and data entry points. Our powerful automation will take care of most tasks, but there are a few things we'll handle manually, such as class data, absentees, tardiness, dropouts, and other specific entries. I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's start by entering the required information. Fill in the academic year, grade, section, subject teacher, subject, and advisor in their respective cells. The number of students and the number of days will be automated, so you don't need to worry about those details. Encode the name of the male and the female students to its respective column cells in Sheet 1. It will automate all the name entries to all the sheets. So, it lessens the time of copying and pasting to each sheet. By the way, a color highlights from both rows and columns show. 2 will help the user navigate where is the active cell when encoding the entry. Now, input the first month of the school year. The template will automatically convert it to uppercase. Next, we'll check the other sheets to ensure that the months are correctly formatted. Moving on. Enter the first day of the month, and you'll see that the correct number of days for each month is automatically generated. Remember, February has 28 days by default, but if it's a leap year, select Yes in the corresponding entry, and it will adjust February to 29 days. Let's review the day count for the following months to ensure accuracy. If you want to revert to the default setting, simply delete the entry or select No. By the way, you can customize the legend according to your preference. Instead of using a for absences, feel free to replace it with X or any other symbol you like. The legend will automatically convert your entry to uppercase as well. Our attendance sheet will take care of counting absences, tardiness, and days present. If you type DO or TO, it will calculate the number of days before a student dropped out or transferred out. If there are holidays, just enter the day and the name of the holiday in the respective data entry point. The attendance sheet will automatically highlight the days and subtract the holiday or holidays from the total number of days. Let's quickly review each sheet to ensure everything is functioning properly. And that's it. Our automated attendance sheet template is ready for you to use. Remember to save it under a new file name to preserve the original template for future use. If you have any questions, suggestions, or need further assistance, please drop a comment in the comments section below. I'm here to help based on my knowledge of the template. If you found this video helpful, please support our channel by liking and sharing it with others. Your support is invaluable and helps us grow. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. Stay tuned, stay organized.